In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DocuSign PDF upload errors. If your PDF won't upload or keeps failing partway through, don't worry, these issues usually come down to a few simple, fixable causes. I'll walk you through what to check, why it matters, and how to get your document uploaded smoothly so you can move on with signatures. Start by checking the file size. DocuSign has limits, and oversized PDFs can fail without a clear message. If yours is too large, reduce the size before trying again. Most PDF tools include a reduce or compress option, and even printing to PDF can bring the size down without changing how it looks. Next, confirm the PDF isn't corrupted. Open it on your computer and scroll through a few pages to make sure everything loads. If it won't open or throws an error, re-export or recreate the file from the original source, then try uploading the new version. File names matter more than you think. Special characters can cause upload problems. Rename the file to use only letters and numbers and keep it short and simple. Then attempt the upload again. If the issue persists, resave the document as a new PDF. Open the file and use Save As to create a fresh copy. This can strip out hidden formatting or embedded elements that DocuSign doesn't like. Check your internet connection. Upload errors can happen during a weak or unstable connection. If possible, switch to a more reliable network, pause large downloads, or move closer to your router to improve stability during the upload. For best results, use DocuSign in a desktop browser rather than on a phone or tablet. Desktop uploads are more reliable and provide clearer error messages. I've placed the official DocuSign website link right at the top of the description so you can open it directly from there. If you're still stuck, try a different browser, such as Chrome or Edge. Sometimes the browser itself is the issue. Clearing your browser cache can also help if DocuSign seems stuck or keeps reusing an old error state. If your PDF is still large after compression, split it into smaller parts and upload them separately. This is especially helpful for long documents with many images or scans. Finally, remove the failed document from the envelope, then re-upload your updated PDF and continue the setup. A clean re-upload often resolves lingering issues. That's how to fix DocuSign PDF upload errors. If this helped, be sure to check the link in the description. And thanks for watching.